Justin Turner!
Hey guys, Justin Turner here.
And Kourtney.
We're fired up about this season of Dodger baseball.
And a lot of things. It's been a big year. Just got married.
Got a house where we can relax, hang with our friends, play with our dog, Moonshine.
And got some huge help from System Pavers.
Kourtney designed the interior, but the backyard needed help.
I can't do everything around here, babe.
And that's where System Pavers came in. Multiple sketches with lots of options. Crew showed up on time every day, gave regular updates, and took care of every little detail.
Totally no stress, and their designs were fantastic.
Our backyard is like our own private oasis now.
Plus, Little Moonshine has a perfect spot to lie in the grass and sunbathe.
Justin Turner with yet another spectacular play.
Create your own private oasis. Go to System Pavers.
Backyard's so gorgeous, your house will be jealous.
That's kind of cute. Did you make that up?
Dial pound 250 on your cell and say System Pavers.
That's pound 250 System Pavers. Pound 250 System Pavers. Or go online to systempavers.com. And it's Moonshine approved.